Meaning of fellow.
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 Fellow. Fellow is a noun that refers to a man or boy who shares a common interest or activity with others. It can also be used as an adjective to describe something that is similar or equal in status to another thing. For example, a fellow student refers to someone who attends the same school as you. When used in a professional setting, fellow can indicate a level of expertise or recognition, such as being a fellow of a prestigious organization. Overall, fellow implies a sense of camaraderie and belonging based on shared interests or qualities.